Alright, so we're gonna check a couple things on the car. Man, I would really love to live out here, like Florida in general. Like, I'm out here at 8 in the morning in a t-shirt, and it's wonderful. Massachusetts, you gotta have a steep tech on. And it's not even like hot, it's nice and cool. Like, this is perfect weather. I love this. Ooh wee. Oh, look at the car. Oh man. That's nice. That R2. My favorite one. Yeah, let me. Oh yeah, and it has an alarm thingy. So yeah. Worst vlogger ever, but yeah, I was looking at the seats just to see if they were actually like OEM this color, because they do make it, or if it was like dyed, and they are dyed. So regardless, people do it anyway, so cool. Never really cared about that. But yeah, the OBD2 port is still here and it's up secured. Yeah, so I'm just really like looking around the car for little things like that. Because as I said, the interior is going to be like full custom. I'm going to do door card deletes, half cage, all types of stuff. So I don't really need any of this. So yeah. All right, so I'm in the Uber now, about to go grab the rental since they're picking the car up today. So yeah, I'll let you know when we get there, because I'm not even sure what car we're picking up. It just gave me like a list of the types of cars, but not like the actual one. So I guess we'll see. Alright, so here's my stallion for the day, or well, for the last couple days I'm here. But yeah, quick walk around, just, you know, sometimes people be doing some funky stuff. So you guys see right there, there's a scratch, there's scratches right there, scratches right there, scratch right there, scratches right there, scratches right there. Boom. Scratch right there. Alright. Boom, whatever that is right there. Alright. And you can see the rock chips around. Boom, whatever that mark is. And then the glass. Boom. Boom. Yep. And you could see some mark right here, marks up there, and yeah, it's good. A couple thingies right here across, probably some sort of roof rack, but alright, as you guys could see, it's all set. I'm dead ass about to buy something like this and modify it. Look at this shit. Hold on. That's hilarious. Yo, imagine living out here. My God, like, these views are fire. And you don't gotta deal with snow. Like, I'd rather have to fight alligators every day for the rest of my life than fucking deal with snow. Like, if that's all it takes, bring on the alligators, my nigga. Because, look at this. Alright, so right now, I'm going to try and pick up a set of wheels, and then I'm going to throw it in the car, and the shippers are going to be here. They were supposed to go 2 hours ahead, but they said they're going to be here in like a half an hour, but that should be a good enough time. The guy said that he'll wait until I get back. So perfect. Time to head out and get this stuff done, and then ship the car back. Look at that, a R8, and then I just seen an M8 Grand Coupe. Like, there's some nice ass cars out here, my God. Okay, so picked up some wheels as well for a good price. So what I'm going to do is either bring them back and rebuild them and use them on the E36 or whatever, or what, I don't know. People already actually started to make me offers on them and stuff like that, so I may just sell them. But yeah, the tires got to get taken off and everything like that, and then after that I'll either rebuild them or sell them or whatever. But yeah, they're actually pretty sick. I'll show them to you guys like when the car gets delivered, because the truck is already there. So the dispatchers did not tell the tow truck driver to give me an hour or two. Well, that they were supposed to give me an hour or two. They just called me when they were like 20 minutes away, but the guy said he's gonna wait, so that's cool. But yeah, lucky me. Let's see. All right, so the tow truck guy is here now because they gave him the wrong address. I'm not sure if they told you guys that, but that means I gotta make sure that he has the right address for the house. But anyhow, we're on our way there. He's at Publix, so let's go over there, and if it's not too far, I'll walk back or I'll Uber back or whatever. It doesn't matter. I'll get back to you guys in a second. The truck is here, and the car is about to go up and get sent back to Massachusetts. So yeah, I'll check you guys in a few. First time getting a car shipped. Pretty cool. Can't wait to get this thing back, man. I already got stuff coming. I already got stuff going. Like, this is gonna be a sick build, and it's gonna look good fast, but the build, this is probably gonna be like a 2+ year build. So yeah, it's pretty sick. So I'll catch you guys in the next clip. Oh yeah, it can take a second to look at the underside of the car. It's really sick to see a car without rust. Like, I really don't see much of anything rusty, so that's pretty good. Like, that's crazy. I'm definitely about to start buying all my cars in Florida. And then that dripping is the AC. Like, that's like, because the AC, you know, it's whatever, like condensates or whatever the word is. But yeah, that's not anything actually leaking. But yeah, the underbody of this car is really clean. Like, I've never seen an E36 like this before. I believe this is an AMG GTR. My God. Look at that. Holy hell. This is mad. Whew. Yeah, AMG GTR. Jesus fucking Christ. This is an amazing